Hey, John, let's have a cup of coffee.
Sure, why not?
Do you know El Lockup is going to create a full animation video today?
As like, they create us.
Absolutely.
Then, the video is going to be very interesting. Everyone should watch the video till the end.
This animation was created by an AI. You can also create this kind of video with a few clicks without having any major knowledge of animating. In today's video, we will introduce an awesome AI tool that can make fascinating 2D animation and tell you the whole process of creating a full-length live-action animation video. Let's dive in. For creating an animation, we need a good story, and we will use ChatGPT to generate a story. Let's go to ChatGPT and ask for a story. I am giving prompts as write a moral story between two friends. Add some conversation between them. The story should not be longer than 200 rods. I add 200 words only for tutorial purposes. ChatGPT has generated an interesting story with some conversation. That's great. Now copy the story and paste it into a doc file. Alright, our story is ready. Now we will generate audio with another AI tool called Jenny by Levo AI. If you want to record your own voice, you can skip this part. Okay, after creating an account on Levo, create a new project and select Create Voiceover. Delete all the previous blocks. Now copy the story and paste it into Levo. Now it's an important part. We need to select voice models according to the story. We will select 3 different voice models. The first part of this story is a narration part. We will select a female voice model for this part. I will suggest hearing all the voice models and then select the best one. Okay, in the second block, it's the first conversation between two friends, and this one is Sam's dialogue. I will select a male voice model for this one. And in the third block, it's the conversation of Alex. For Alex, I will select a different male voice model for this block. Now change the voice models according to the narration. After selecting the voice model, delete all the actors' names. Then select all of the blocks and click on the Voice Generate button. After completing the voice generation, we need to export the audio. And we need to export all the blocks separately. For export audio, select the block, and you will find an export icon on the right side of the block. It's paid plan. You have to pay to export the audio. You can use any free text-speech service if you don't want to pay. Okay, our audio is now ready. Now it's the final step, where we will create live-action animation. Go to Animaker AI and create an account with your Google or email account. After coming to the Animaker AI dashboard, click on Create and then select Create a Video. Now you will find a vast number of animation templates. But we will create our own story, so I am selecting Create a Blank Project. Now select the aspect ratio of your video. I will select 16:9, which is the best for YouTube video. And this is our creator page. Alright, as we are creating a story between two friends in a village. So, we have to create a village environment. In the left panel, you will find the background option. After coming to the background panel, select your desired background. After selecting the background, we will upload our audio files. Okay, click on the upload icon from here, then select upload again. Now select your audio files. Remember that you can upload only 10 files at one time. If you have more than 10, then upload them step by step. Now select the first audio. First audio means the first block of your story. Now you can notice a pop-up. It said our audio file is larger than the scene. So, we have to increase the scene length. Adjust the length according to your audio size. Now it's time to add characters to our video. As our story demands 2 characters, Sam and Alex, so I will select 2 characters from here. After selecting the characters, you will find a vast number of actions of your character. Select an action according to your scene demand. Here you will find every kind of action. Then select the second character and select the suitable action. Alright, now we will create a movement with our characters. For doing that, select one character and then Smart Move here. And then adjust the position of the actor's movement. You can decide how long will be the movement will take. Palace. I want the movement in all the scenes. So, I am changing the starting point of the movement and the actor's position also. I also changed the movement ending position. Do this with the other's character also. Okay, our first scene is now complete. Let's move on to the second scene. For creating a new scene, click on Overall Timeline from here. Now click on the plus icon. Now as the first scene, add a suitable background. Then add the first character. Adjust the size and position. After that, select a suitable action. Now we will add the audio. But this time we will use lip sync. Click on the lip sync button and then select the second audio file. After that, adjust the scene size according to the audio size. We have to add the second character also. Add the second character and adjust the size and position the add in action. Our second scene is now completed. Before creating the third scene, I am going to share another trick. If any scene is similar to the previous scene, then you can duplicate the scene, as I am doing here. In the third scene, we have to create lip sync with the Alex means second character. Create the lip sync as the first one. In this way, you can create your full animation video. For time saving, I am skipping this time. After completing your scene creation, click on the Publish button from here. Then select Download Video. In the free version, you will able to download in 720 pixels. Alright, click on Download. Now Animaker AI will take some time for rendering your video. Let's have a cup of coffee and enjoy the video.
Once upon a time, there were two best friends named Sam and Alex. They were inseparable and spent most of their time together. One day, they found a bag of coins lying on the road.
Look, Alex. This bag seems full of coins. Let's split it between us.
I agree, Sam, but we should count the coins first and then divide them equally.
After counting the coins, they realized there were 100 of them.
Alright, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creation. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!